morning！而家人喺機場，而家準備出發去我一個人嘅30歲嘅小旅行。
You are now watching。
咁今日目的地呢，就係 Montreal，都係我好想去嘅地方，因為我好中意韓劇呢，鬼怪喺 Quebec 拍咁，所以 that's why 我一直好想去。咁今年就人生大事30歲啦，咁所以想去個小旅行，激發自己，激勵自己。而家係朝早嘅6點鐘。琴日瞓得超差，唔知係咪因為有少少緊張嘅關係，咁我3點半已經起咗身，咁而家咧已經 check in 晒，咁就坐咗間 coffee shop 度食個早餐，飲杯咖啡。Hi. Good. How are you? 等咗差唔多20分鐘左右，終於上到 Uber 啦！真係好彩，啱啱攞完行李，我即刻衝出去，所以就趕得切我頭嗰針嘅 Uber。之後到我等上車嘅時候，我見到後面嗰條隊已經勁長咯，好彩行得快，因為我勁想趕嗰班4點40分去 Quebec 嘅火車。好彩喺香港練到一身好功夫。比普通人行得快，同埋我覺得幾得意嘅係我第一次喺機場遇到呢啲 Uber 嘅一個排隊嘅制度咯。你喺 Uber app 咧 order 完嗰架車之後咧，正常嗰架車會有車牌啦，咁你就直接去嗰架車度噶嘛。但係佢呢度係你 order 完之後咧，你都要 line up，咁之後佢會有個 pin number， 咁就司機係 random 嘅，即係好似的士隊咁樣，你咁啱排到邊架車，嗰架就係你嘅 Uber 咯。咁你上車之後咧就俾翻個 pin number 佢就會有齊晒你嘅資料啦，你要去邊度，我都幾神奇，我第一次經歷呢個制度咯。快啲啦！救命，心急如焚啊！而家真得2個 counter 開緊，真係超慢咯。我應該啱啱訂咗佢先㗎。我本身諗住嚟到呢度睇下咩情況，之後到我想上網訂嗰時候已經消失咗呢個4點幾嘅車嘅 option 咯。2 minutes, right? 2分鐘。OK。
How are you today? Now you arrived, you're there. We know you're coming.
Thank you so much.
Now you have yourself a cook.
You just got your ticket?
Yeah, just got it there.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
Bon voyage, okay? Attention aux marches, okay? Take your time.
Thank you,
Always
thank
behind
you.
you. Go
Thank you,
ahead.
thank you.
Behind you. Go ahead.
好彩趕得切咋，如果唔係要等2個鐘先有下一班火車。
I don't know, sorry. Sorry.
Call you on the phone after I watched it go. You won't answer
What
my
kind of
call.
chips is this?
I have Lay's regular and Doritos.
Okay, can I get a Lay's, the ICS
Say
one, please?
you're a loner. Well, that's fine because I'm done. I'm starting over again. I'm starting up again. Picking up all the pieces you carelessly left me.
Oh my god！ 經歷咗4個半鐘頭嘅飛機，再加3個半鐘頭嘅火車，終於到 Quebec City 啦！我攰到可以原地瞓着。我啱啱睇過，我呢邊行去我酒店大概20分鐘，之後呢公共交通工具好似都差唔多時間，我已經講唔到嘢，所以我決定行過去。少年我真係太天真，我以為20分鐘係嗰啲直路平路，點知上斜坡搞唔掂。原地放棄，之後我嗌咗 Uber， 之後可能我行咗2-3分鐘去呢個位嗌車平，又平好多喎，平1半喎，無言。
Well, I had this work accident on my neck.
Oh.
I couldn't walk. I was in a
my
wheelchair
God.
and stuff. I almost moved to Poco.
Oh, really?
Port Coquitlam.
Yeah. 啱啱個 Uber 司機係法國人，但係英文超好，完全冇我聽唔明嘅 French English。就終於到酒店啦！ Actually, I want to go to this restaurant. Do you recommend? Is it
Oh,
good?
do you like
I went like last week.
Oh, really? It's good?
really great. Yeah, but it's and pasta, you know.
Yeah,
so it's
pasta,
like
yeah.
entrees and stuff like that, but it's really good.
Okay, I will go
I really
later.
like.
門口一入嚟右手邊就有個雪櫃同埋咖啡機，之後呢度有個小小嘅衣櫃，咁之後就係一個 king size 嘅床，咁佢哋話幫我 upgrade 咗嘅，本身應該我訂咗 queen size，之後就書台、電視，之後好神奇嘅係洗手盆喺出面嘅，咁之後呢度就係個廁所啦，滴滴色色咁係企缸嚟嘅，之後就有塊全身鏡喺度。哇，好攰啊！耶，終於到橋北啦！而家收拾下啲行李 and then 準備出去食飯。擺低啲嘢整理好咧，而家就準備去餐廳食飯。之後咧行過去餐廳9分鐘，啱
Turn right.
好靚啊！行緊去嘅途中，我望到呢片景色超靚，俾大家望下。終於揾到嗰間餐廳，之後留咗個名，咁佢話佢有位會話我知。我想講而家有少少餓到飆冷汗 and then 血糖低、發軟蹄嘅感覺咯，好正咯，個氣氛超好 and then 好雅致啦，好浪漫啦。唔知嗌咗啲乜嘢，但我真係好肚餓，所以我求其嗌咗。之後呢個係生牛肉，好似係都係呢間鋪頭嘅signature嚟嘅。佢嗰個 peppercorn 同埋鹽，再加埋個芝士，再加埋嗰個牛肉，好 fresh， 好好食咯。同埋我啲 surprise，我竟然食到佢個芝士咯。佢呢個芝士唔係啲好奶、好臭嗰種芝士，係好 fresh 鹹鹹地。Oh my god！即係嗌咗杯 cocktail， 今日要好好咁鼓勵自己，叻女 ，Cheers！ 哦，酒精啊！其實呢間餐廳勁浪漫咯，勁適合約會咯。我 wish 我對面坐緊一個男人，但係好可惜係自己一個，所以我帶咗你嚟掩飾我個尷尬。尤其係呢啲咁浪漫嘅餐廳，好好食啊！黐線，我食到芝士，大家睇嚟呢個應該係高級芝士。Oh my god, so good！啱啱係極度飢餓嘅狀態，我唔知自己 order 咗啲乜嘢啦。本身我係想 order 嗰個蜜汁意粉嘅，但係冇咗呢個 menu，佢推薦咗呢一款俾我啦。我冇仔細睇，我就 OK， 我信你。之後我望落去都唔錯，但係我好驚係好 cheesy 同埋或者好奶油，因為我平時係完全食唔到 cheesy 或者奶油嘅意粉，所以 wish me luck。好驚啊！大家點算啊？哦，係我食到嘅嘢嚟嘅，佢係嗰種清醬嘅意粉，但係佢個 pasta 好得意啊！佢咁樣好似通粉咁樣，佢好香橄欖油同清醬嘅味道。Oh my god！今餐可能我人生食過最多嘅芝士啊！咁我就加咗3隻蝦，好大隻啊！好香嘅蒜油味 ，and 咧好爽口。好食。